Hi everyone, so this video is a perfume haul video. It's the first time I purchased from this particular company and I use their online store. I'm pretty sure they have a few actual storefronts, but I have yet to visit one. But the company is Libertine Parfumerie, so I purchased all of these myself. Yeah, the box itself, it's quite cool. Like, it had the sleeve on it, slides out, and then there's the box inside. Packaging, terrific. If you want to see me open the box, there is a short video on my Instagram channel, so feel free to check that out. But yeah, packaging, it's definitely an experience to receive a package from them and open it. It's really quite lovely. There's tissue paper and stuff inside wrapping the perfumes, and it's scented, and they will handwrite a note that tells you what it's scented with. It's just a really lovely experience, which, considering they sell mainly higher end or niche fragrances, it kind of meets the expectation of the brand as well, so the company, and it doesn't disappoint. So there's one main fragrance that I purchased, which after smelling a sample quite a while ago, I really liked, and I haven't been able to find anything that sounds similar or that smells similar, and so it's one where I think I would have been disappointed had it been discontinued and I not have it in my collection, because it's one that I just kept thinking, I really want that because it's different, I enjoy it, and it's got like nothing I've ever smelt before. So if I find anything similar to it, I will also get that anyway. I also picked up a few sample sets, so the small vials. I think if you're trying higher end or more expensive niche fragrances, it's so helpful to have samples, because if you can't try them in person, it can get very expensive if you're wanting to blind buy a whole heap of fragrances. So I'll go through those. There's also some freebies. I don't know if it's something that they do all the time, but you get 10 free samples with, I think it's any full size bottle or any bigger size bottle, like 50 mils or 100 mils or something. You can pick a couple of them and the rest are random. And then there was another special going on with the perfume that I bought too. So I guess first I'll go through the sample sets. So with one of them, I do also have to applaud their customer service. One of the sample sets that I purchased came with a duplicate of one of the fragrances. So out of 7, it came with 6, but one was in there twice. So I was missing one of the scents. I called them up and they sent it out. So it was no fuss, super easy. Customer service was just incredible. It was a really good experience, which, if you've seen other videos of mine, hasn't always been the case with other companies. So it was delightful to experience really good customer service, just making it a whole lot easier. So the first fragrance set that I purchased is the 7 fragrances from Maison Tahiti. I don't know how to pronounce that, and I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but that's it there. Now there are 7 fragrances in this set. I think they have a few more than this in the whole range, but from what I can see, it's kind of seems to be a more gourmand niche fragrance company. Lots of like chocolatey or vanilla kind of fragrances. So of course I'm always searching for a really lovely vanilla. It sounded like something I'd like. So the 7 fragrances in the set are Cacao Squared or Cacao 2. That looks like Cacao Squared. Cell Vanille. Vanillade. Carnal Cacao. Vicious Cacao. Vain Ecstasy. And Floranilla. So I will link the pack from their website down below, because it's just easier if you're interested in knowing what the brand is, because I can't pronounce it properly, and also the scents. If it's something that you're interested in, I might be able to do like a first impressions or a review video after I've tried it for a while. But I just stumbled across them, never heard of them before. They sound like they would be delicious, so I wanted to give them a go. The next fragrance sampler set was from Costume National, or National. And again, it's, I think this is seven sample size fragrances. And I mainly got it because there was a few that I was interested in, and I think one of them has a cherry note in there, and I thought I would try it. So the scents that were in this set are I, J, Scent, Secret Woods, Soul, Homme, or Costume National Homme, and Scent Intense. So those are the 7. So the next fragrance is the big one. It is the one that I have been umming and ahhing about and just really wanting to get for quite a while now. And it's from Homage. So this is Lilac Love from Homage. And I purchased the 100ml bottle. I tried this a little while ago. Seems like a long time ago now, but I just really liked the way that it smelled. I actually originally got the sample set for a different perfume. I think it was, oh, what's it, the pink one, like Blossom, is it called Blossom Love? I think it is, the pink bottle. And this was in with that sample set, and this one was just beautiful. So I will probably do a separate video on the Homage scent, and with the full bottle purchase that I made, it also came with one of the sample sets. And this is actually how I discovered the Lilac Love to begin with. So this is their Homage Secret Garden sample set, or sampler set. So it's got the 4 different fragrances in there. Oh yeah, so there we go. So it's got Lilac Love, Blossom Love, Love Tuberose, and Love Mimosa. And I originally wanted to get the Blossom Love, but yeah, Lilac Love was just so nice. So now for the samples that came free with the purchase. It comes in this really cool bag with their branding on it, and I picked out 4, which it looks like they decant small vials for you, and they write down the names of the fragrances. So these are the 4 that I picked out. The first one is Arcana Rose from Libertine Parfumerie. I don't know how to pronounce it. I am terrible with pronunciation, but they have a little label on the vial inside there. The second perfume was Delina. So this is just Delina by Perfumes de Mali. I have not smelt the actual Delina fragrance before, so there are a few reasons why I wanted to smell the original. One, it sounds like something I would really enjoy, because a lot of the things that are compared to Delina I enjoy. The notes sound very interesting to me, but also there's a few fragrances that I'm trying at the moment that are meant to smell like Delina, so I just wanted to have some form of a reference. The next and the third one that I picked out was Crimson Rocks from Homage. This is also another one that sounded very interesting to me, and I'm wanting to try, obviously. And the last one is Cacao Libertine. This is one of the Maison Tahiti scents that wasn't in the sampler set, and I wanted to try pretty much everything that they had, because it just sounds delicious. The remaining 6 are just random fragrances that they chose and popped in. So the next one was Juliet Has a Gun Lily Fantasy. Then we have Creed 1760, and I think this is called, where is it? It's really hard to find the name of this one. It was Green Irish Tweed was that one. Next one is Robert Puget. Again, I'm really sorry. I can't pronounce these, but it's V. And I don't know if it was called something else because I had trouble finding this one online, but that is what the outside looks like. The next one is from Lubin. It's called Magda. A lot of these I had never heard of, so it's also really exciting to try something completely random, and sometimes I find that's the best way to find really unique scents. One of a kind of perfumes is when you try things that you wouldn't normally go for. The next one is Iberian Leather from Memo. I think it's very ornate. And the last one is from, oh gosh, how would I say this? Officina Profumo from Santa Maria Novella Potpourri. I don't know how to say that brand name properly again. Sorry, not good with pronunciation on certain things. I will try my best if I ever do review videos and things like that to try to listen to people say it first and then just kind of mimic them. But I just no good at pronouncing those things. But that is my order from the Libertine Parfumerie, and yeah, I would happily purchase from them again. I am interested to go in. I'm pretty sure they've got a store. I think they've got some of their stores in Maya stores in the major cities. So maybe one day I might pop in and have a look. But yeah, really great experience. Very excited to try some of these out. And if you're interested in any of these in particular, please let me know if you've got any questions. If you've ordered from them before, what did you buy and what did you think? And I will link the things that I purchased down below. And if I remember, I'll also link to the samples that I received because I've butchered the names. At least then you can find them and know what I'm talking about. That is it for me for now. I hope you're having a fantastic morning, afternoon or evening, whatever it may be, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.